Hello my loves, welcome to Moondrop's YouTube drawing channel. Today's lesson is how to draw a torso woman. For this time I draw a short hair woman. First, just draw what's in your mind. For me, I draw so randomly but a little detailed. And then I draw very detailed eyes because I really like drawing eyes, if you know. Some clothes that fits with her, earrings or so. Some more accessories too. Draw detailed clothes. Give hair some shape like real hair type. And then here we go, start coloring our character. First, color the hair and then skin to match its tones. Make it more brighter. And give her face makeup if you want to. I gave her a K-pop idol makeup. If you have no idea how to draw clothes, then go search Pinterest, internet, or maybe the market that you usually get clothes. Everything is fine. After finishing coloring, put more white places based on light direction, of course. And then we're finished. Thank you for watching it until the end. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please comment below. Subscribe, like this video will help me a lot. I will see you guys next time. Bye!